Okay, I warned you they were coming, and now here they are. All new beer can hat crochet designs that are actually creative and fun. Maybe even cool, some of them. I know what you're thinking. It's about time. I know. For example, my super comprehensive 3-in-1 beer can party hat tutorial is now up on my channel. There's so many extras and options here, you can definitely make more than 3 hats. But really the idea behind this 3-part series is that when the birthday girl has emptied the special beers you brought to the party and you're live crocheting your magical hat gift, much to the amazement and wonder of the crowd, if something happens to distract you, I give you 3 opportunities to finish it up right now and still hold the party hero title that you deserve. So you cut up the cans and crochet them together into a crown. Maybe you got there late or you pre-gamed a little too hard. You can stop right here, add a little trim, and boom, perfectly great birthday crown. Or you keep going and add the top of the hat, but then what happens? Perhaps you find someone cute to make out with, and then hold that thought while I whip up a tassel. Done. Fez time. And you're totally ready for your beer lodge meeting. Or maybe you go all the way and add a brim for the full Monty. In this pattern, there's 2 brims to choose from. But wait, there's more. I also show you a faster joining method to really get things going quickly. And 3 different can label sizes for endless variety. Like, did you even know beer can hats could be so chock full of crochet design? Well, I'm here for you, okay? I like me some beer can hats and I'm bringing them back. Check out my channel for more tutorials, including double and triple tall hats, weird original designs, more compact and basic tutorials, and who knows what you'll find. Hey, if you made it this far, why don't you just push the button and join my little clubhouse? Because there's a lot more fun, weird projects coming up, and I would love to see you there. And wait, kitties. Oh, it kind of looks like a wiener. Hey, come out of there. And kitties.